What is Smartsheet? If you're not familiar with this tool, you're not alone. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, from project management to sales and marketing. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Smartsheet is and how it can be used to help you be more productive. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a spreadsheet-like application that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It's a powerful tool that can be used by individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. Smartsheet offers a variety of features, including drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and customize sheets. Gantt charts. These can be used to visualize project timelines and track progress. Forms. These can be used to collect data from users. Dashboards. These can be used to display real-time data and insights. Automation. This can be used to automate repetitive tasks. How can Smartsheet be used? Smartsheet can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management. Smartsheet can be used to track project progress, manage tasks, and communicate with team members. Sales and marketing. Smartsheet can be used to track leads, manage campaigns, and analyze sales data. Customer service. Smartsheet can be used to track customer inquiries, manage support tickets, and provide self-service options. Human resources. Smartsheet can be used to track employee performance, manage training and development, and onboard new employees. Finance. Smartsheet can be used to track budgets, manage expenses, and create financial reports. Benefits of using Smartsheet. There are many benefits to using Smartsheet, including easy to use. Smartsheet's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to get started and create sheets that meet your needs. Powerful features. Smartsheet offers a wide range of features that can be used to automate tasks, track progress, and collaborate with others. Scalable. Smartsheet can be scaled to meet the needs of organizations of all sizes. Cost-effective. Smartsheet is a cloud-based application, so there is no need to invest in expensive hardware or software. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. If you're looking for a way to be more productive, I encourage you to give Smartsheet a try. Thank you for watching.